Imagine a cosmic vacuum cleaner, powerful enough to suck up stars, gas, dust, and even light. Enter the enigmatic world of black holes. Born from collapsed stars, black holes are the ultimate space oddities. Their gravity so strong nothing can escape, not even light. They distort time and space around them, creating a phenomenon known as spaghettification. If you were to fall into a black hole, you'd be stretched out like a piece of spaghetti, hence the name. But fear not, the nearest black hole to Earth, V616 Monocerotis, is over 3,000 light-years away. So keep exploring the universe, and remember, the cosmos is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, with black holes being one of its most fascinating enigmas.